Welcome to Jovital Project, Jordan Opportunity for Virtual Innovative Teaching and Learning. This project is co-financed by the European Commission in Erasmus Plus Capacity Building in the Field of Higher Education program. The project consortium involves 4 higher educational institutions in the European Union and 5 Jordanian universities, geographically spread over the country. The main idea of the project is to solve the problem of limited interactive teaching and physical academic mobility at Jordanian higher educational institutions by introducing problem-based learning and learner-centered teaching founded on constructivist and connectivist theories and facilitated by digital social interaction tools. The project aims are promoting virtual collaborative learning, VCL, as a flexible and accessible learning arrangement to involve students in a virtual community of inquiry, integrating disadvantaged learner groups, like refugees and female learners, in a location-independent immersive classroom experience, and introducing online international exchange for effective internationalization at home through virtual mobility at Jordanian universities. The main objectives of the project include qualifying teaching staff at Jordanian universities to adopt modern pedagogical and didactical methodologies in virtual learning settings, supporting Jordanian universities in designing and implementing effective ICT-based internationalization at home in a global virtual mobility network, opening up Jordanian higher education to integrate disadvantaged groups in immersive VCL environments. The knowledge transfer outcomes from this project include tailored localized qualification programs, practical training, and know-how transfer events for teaching staff and tutors, constructivist problem-based learning curriculum for collaborative learning courses, virtual collaborative learning courses for Jordanian students in national and international settings. Let's have a short introduction to the proposed virtual collaborative learning concept, its benefits, and potentials for the partner countries. Presented by the project leader, Professor Eric Schoep, from the Technical University of Dresden in Germany.
Virtual collaborative learning explained in 5 minutes. What is the background idea? That background idea is nearly 20 years old. It refers to the year of 2001 European Council, the concrete future of objectives of education and training systems. Here, it's written, the European education and training system has to encourage the personal growth of European citizens in 3 aspects: skills, adaptability, and mobility. Skills means that individuals get a foundation for their life and are enabled to work together in groups. They should by this stay or become adaptable, so get the ability to learn about and adjust to new situations while staying independent and respecting others. And the virtual mobility describes the skills required in today's international and multicultural society. Working and communicating with others across national boundaries and adapt to the challenges of a global economy. Having that in mind, the key elements of VCL already developed in 2001 are the follows. We talk about higher education. That's a formal setting. We have learning goals, which are addressed by examinations, giving grades and credits. It takes place completely online. It's covering both asynchronous and synchronous dimensions and supports the learning in mixed teams. It's a case study style learning with open scenarios and solutions, and our team learners are closely supervised by qualified e-tutors. The last point is situative learning. We build authentic cases, project style collaboration takes place, and by aligning our stories, our cases in the learning environment to reality, we want to reduce inert knowledge in the transfer from knowledge learned at higher education institutions and their applicants in later work situations. Virtual collaborative learning is virtual, new communication channels, social software platforms enable this. It is collaborative, working in learning in groups, benefiting from the experience of others, and learning is the main focus to acquire new knowledge, build up new competencies and experience in situative learning environments. In the lower level of this chart, we see numerous VCL projects having taken place in everyday teaching environments. So VCL is a very complex learning arrangement. We talk about 4 main design dimensions. We call them pivotal instruments, which ensure the quality and situativity in our VCL settings. Realistic cases, authentic cases, and working tasks derived from these cases foster the situative learning. We rely on a collaborative technical platform, and we use Microsoft Teams and Office 365. Learning analytics and information visualization provide data and for building dashboards for supervisors and for learners, and give data for competitive situations. And last but not least, the professionalized pedagogical support concepts behind are visualized primarily to support personalized individual feedback and assessment of the teams, the students' teams, and the individuals inside the teams. And this is based on our e-tutors who have a specific qualification to supervise the teamwork and to moderate the team interaction processes. For more details on VCL, you might refer to our presentation on the DAAD conference on virtual exchange. It's about borderless mobility between the European higher education area and regions beyond. On the left side of this slide, you see the publication referred to. We have tiny URLs which lead you to the article on the web and a presentation video on the web.
Thank you for watching our introduction video. For more information on the project and to get in touch with us for potential cooperation, please visit our website www.jovital.eu.